Another fantastic 21 plate Range Rover Sport SVR. But what is different about this car? Something quite unique. I get lots of blues, blacks, greys. This car is Yulong White. Very rare. It looks stunning. The car's done less than 2,000 miles. It is beautiful. And Yulong White is if you look, just to try and give you an idea, it's not just your everyday stand white. It is a stunning. It's got a fleck in the paintwork. It's beautiful. Now the car's got a full factory black pack. It's got a factory black roof. It's got soft closed doors. It just looks right, but the car is practically as new. £96,990 for a 21 plate, only just over a month old SVR. It is an unbelievable buy. So just be quick with this car. It's getting launched now. It's going on the website. How nice are them lights? 575 horsepower. Unbelievable car to drive. And then it's got the bonnet vents in black, the side vents, 21-inch wheels, gloss black, then got the red performance calipers, fixed side steps. It's got the black interior, which I think with the car being Yulong White, all works. And then when we move around the back, you've got that big aggressive rear with that big exhaust system, LED lights, all your black badging. But this car for me, I just think it's the price. $96,990 for a pretty much practically brand new SVR is phenomenal. Again, all keyless entry. And then as we move on inside, it's beautiful. Meridian sound system, memory seats, heated steering wheel, sliding panoramic roof. You've got the black performance seats inside, ambient lighting. And even inside this car, it's got that new car smell about it. Alcantara roof lining. And I love the interior. Because the car's Yulong White, I just think this interior all works. You've got the black roof lining, you've got this beautiful black steering wheel, sports steering wheel with the white stitching, with a piano black finish there. Sliding roof, like I said. And how the car sounds absolutely awesome. Car's covered 2,101 miles. Heated steering wheel. What a car, what a car. It's got a fridge also in the middle, which is, believe it or not, that is not standard, that's an optional extra. And it's got the soft closed doors. It's a stunner. I'll just give you a little taster of the soft closed doors. You can see. And also you've got all your blind spot assist, so you've got your sensors on there. In the back, just going to open it up. Again, you've got rear climate control, you've got rear heated seats, you've got the rear speakers. It's lovely. Still got the tags and everything on the seats. But the two key things, I think, it looks lovely because it's Yulong White, makes it completely different to what we've been selling, but it's priced on the money, $96,990. The figures will be great on this car if you want to work PCPs. Great boot space, electric tailgate. But I just think that colour, with a contrasting roof, with the wheels, looks superb. And for me, and I've said it before, Range Rover Sport SVR, no better four-wheel drive to drive. What a car. Hitting the website now, $96,990. Call me direct, don't mess around, get it bought.